What's up guys, Dean here, and today we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. Nobody enjoys spending their precious free time pushing a vacuum around, right? That's where these awesome gadgets come in. In 2025, robot vacuums aren't just a luxury anymore. They're practically essential. We're talking next level convenience and cleaning power that'll make you wonder how you ever lived without one. I'm breaking down the absolute best robot vacuums of 2025, packed with features that'll blow your mind. Let's get started. First up, we've got the robotic S8 Max V Ultra. This thing is in a league of its own when it comes to navigation. Robotic has nailed it with their LiDAR navigation system. It's like having a tiny surveyor in your vacuum, creating detailed maps of your home. And the obstacle avoidance? This thing uses AI to identify and avoid obstacles like a champ, shoes, toys, even pet accidents. It'll steer clear and keep on cleaning. No more pre-cleaning prep for you. The S8 Max V Ultra learns your floor plan, remembers no-go zones, and even suggests cleaning routines based on your habits. It's like having a personal cleaning assistant. And the best part, you can control everything from your phone. Set schedules, adjust suction power, even tell it to clean specific areas, all with a few taps on the app. Now let's talk about cleaning performance. The S8 Max V Ultra doesn't disappoint. With powerful suction and a multi-surface brush roll, it picks up everything from fine dust to larger debris with ease. It even has a mop feature that's actually good. This thing has a dedicated mopping pad and water tank so it can tackle sticky messes and leave your floors sparkling. And if you thought it couldn't get any better, the S8 Max V Ultra even empties its own dustbin. Once it's done cleaning, it'll head back to its charging dock and empty the dirt and debris into a sealed bag. Overall, the robotic S8 Max V Ultra is an absolute beast of a robot vacuum. Next up is the Dream X150 Ultra Complete, and this one is all about cleaning power. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that can tackle anything you throw at it, this is the one. Let's start with the suction. This thing is a beast. It boasts some of the most powerful suction on the market, easily picking up dirt, dust, pet hair, and even larger debris like cereal or crumbs. No more struggling with those stubborn bits that other vacuums leave behind. But it's not just about raw power. The Dreamy X50 Ultra Complete is also incredibly efficient. It uses a combination of smart navigation and a wide cleaning path to cover your floors quickly and thoroughly. And the mopping function? This is where the Dreamy X50 Ultra Complete really shines. It doesn't just mop, it scrubs. With its dual rotating mop pads, it can tackle even the most stubborn, dried-on messes. We're talking about removing coffee stains, pet accidents, even sticky spills. This thing can handle it all. It's like having a mini cleaning crew in your home, leaving your floor spotless. The Dream X50 Ultra Complete also comes with a self-cleaning feature for the mop pads. Once it's done mopping, it'll head back to its dock and wash the pads, so you don't have to lift a finger. The Dream X50 Ultra Complete is the ultimate cleaning machine. If you're tired of spending hours cleaning, this robot vacuum is worth every penny. Now, if you're serious about taking your home cleaning game to the next level, let's talk about the high-end robot vacuums of 2025. These bad boys are packed with advanced features and automation, making your life ridiculously easy. One standout feature is the self-emptying dustbin. These vacuums connect to larger dustbins or even bags that can hold weeks worth of dirt and debris. Imagine this. Your robot vacuum finishes cleaning, empties its own bin, and you don't have to think about it for weeks. That's the level of convenience we're talking about. Some high-end models also feature self-cleaning mop pads. They have dedicated cleaning stations that not only wash the mop pads but also dry them, preventing any musty odors or bacterial growth. You literally have to do nothing except sit back and enjoy your sparkling clean floors. And if you thought that was impressive, some models even offer self-refilling water tanks. They'll automatically refill their water tanks from a larger reservoir, so you don't have to worry about constantly topping them up. These high-end robot vacuums are all about ultimate convenience and automation. They take care of everything, so you don't have to lift a finger. If you're ready to embrace the future of home cleaning and free up your precious time, these models are worth considering. So, there you have it, guys. The best robot vacuums of 2025. From advanced navigation and powerful cleaning to self-emptying bins and self-cleaning mops, these gadgets are changing the way we clean our homes. It's time to ditch that old school vacuum and embrace the future of home maintenance. These robot vacuums are an investment in your free time and your peace of mind. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech reviews. Until next time, keep it clean, everyone.